what did I do? Well, first of all, I decided to start practicing in the caddy, kind of getting into this road course stuff, and wanted to get a little bit more horsepower and a little more heavy car under my belt. And then, oh my God, don't say it, I went chrome. Actually, I went black chrome. Man, look at that paint job. It looks wet, shiny. Oh my God, I absolutely love it. I found a tutorial on YouTube using GIMP and how to do the spec map and get the chrome look versus Photoshop, which is what everybody else uses. And I did not know this at the time, but the base color determines what the chrome is. If you want chrome, then you use a white base paint job. I originally had the caddy painted in that silver that I like, that I've got on like the Gander truck. And then, not knowing what I was doing, I just slapped the chrome spec on there, and this is what I got, black chrome. My God, I think it just looks fantastic. Of course, I have no logos on it right now. It's just naked black chrome. So I thought, what would this look like on the Gander Bursa Thunder Ford F-150? Well, it looked like shit. With all of my logos and sponsorship on the truck, in the light, even in the nighttime lighting, there was just too many shadows. It washed out. There was ugly shadows on it, and you couldn't read the sponsorship. And so I thought, I need to change this. When I shifted from black to silver on the cars and the Gander truck there, what I was going for was what is called silver vapor paint on my 2008 Ford Expedition. You can't tell it in the picture here, but it has some really heavy metal flake and almost changes color slightly in the sun and depending on the shadows and everything. That's what I've been trying to go for. So with a little bit of adjustment on the spec map and using that silver paint job as my base, let's not wait any longer. Here it is. Alright, man, I think I nailed it about as close as I could. I had to make a minor change, and that was turn the Bursa Blue into Bursa Gold so it would stand out a little bit better. So now the overall theme is silver and gold, like the song says. I didn't finish the last step in the tutorial, which was bringing all of the graphics out to the front so they were not affected by the chrome spec map in any way, shape, or form. And without going deeply into that, I kind of like the way it looks right now with the chrome effect on the graphics. The YouTube button has a little shine to it. Studio David and YouTube have kind of a white, silver, chrome look to it. I think it looks spectacular. And the bumper, wow, that looks pretty cool too. Everything stands out. Everything is easy to read. Man, I think I got her. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Be honest. All right. Thank you very much for coming along for the ride, and we'll see you next time.